Okay, working on this 2004 Porsche Boxster, and the convertible top is stuck. What we got is that if you power it on, the clamshell here will not come up at all because the power top won't move. So this is what I tried. I hit the I unlatched it and I hit the power button, and then I hit the thing, and what it did was it actually pushed this up just a little bit, okay? And then I pushed it up again and I pulled hard and pulled to get it up this high. Okay, now inside here, if you can see, turn the light, is a latch right there at the end of the pivot. The cam is free to move, and there it is right there. You can tell that I popped this one off right there, okay? And I also took the rod off on this side. So with the top move, the cam just moves on its own without the top moving, and now it's easy to get in there and work on it. Good luck.